Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to MNC's update video, current test and interview. Tech Mahindra, Hawkins, Cognizant, Milliman, 4 companies biggest update. Let's start the video. First of all, apply for opportunity which we are sharing. 5 hours ago, I shared the 22 companies new hiring. So apply for that. Many companies updates are there. HCL Tech process are ongoing. Tech Mahindra interviews are there. Okay, let's start the today's video. First of all, I already shared about the Cognizant CIS multi-cloud, that CIS multi-cloud off campus hiring 25. The thing is, it is for the 2024 batch and the interviews is started. Okay, eligible for in-person interview. Okay, they clearly mention that you have to fill this survey form. In the survey form, you have to provide your laptop details by 27 January. This is required to create your entry pass. In that, they are asking your laptop MAC, laptop model and serial number. It is already available. Okay, you can search on Google how to find the laptop MAC, how to find the laptop model and serial number. The thing is, one most important point, okay, like candidates are getting the update from the superset that your interview is scheduled in between particular slots, but you also received the in-person interview invite. Okay, so the in-person interview invite means you have to go to their location. Okay, suppose they mention Cognizant office, so you have to go to their office or location and you have to log on to superset. Okay, and in between you have to give the interview, means at Cognizant office at the location you have to give the interview on superset because it was recorded on the superset platform. Okay, that's the thing, that's the point in the in-person interview. But one most important point, they follow all the instruction that they mention in the interview invite. Okay, one most important point, previously also candidate completed the final interview schedule and office arrival instruction CIS off campus multi cloud hiring process. The thing is, they mentioned you have to need to carry personal laptop with good hotspot connectivity and system check. You have one passport size photograph, all college ID card and Aadhaar card, 10th 12th mark sheet. You have to required to follow formal dress code policy. Okay, but I don't have the new mail. Okay, but you also received the mail that is from the Cognizant team that for in-person interview. So check that mail and check all the required details and follow the process. Okay, you have to take all of the documents that they mention. Previously, candidates complete multi-cloud engineer trainee interview on 28 November that was scheduled in Cognizant office Bangalore with superset interview. Okay, so the office is there, means it is in person. Okay, office is there, Cognizant in person interview on superset. Okay, that's the main thing. Now I have received some mail from Cognizant. It is related to PAN verification, that you have to complete the PAN verification by 9th December 2024 with your offer and onboarding process. So the thing is, if you receive this type of mail after interview, means you are selected or you cleared the interview, and after PAN verification they will release the offer letter and the next process. Okay, so this is the next update. But what about the interview? Okay, so this is the CIS multi-cloud interview special experience, or we can say that latest experience. Okay, what is your name, where you are from, what you have done in 4 years of engineering, which subject have you studied in engineering, which subject were there in last semester. In M1, what is differentiation of two, what is AI/ML, step-by-step implementation of project DBMS, step-by-step implementation of project air quality. Are you able to work in rotational shift? Are you ready to relocate? Are you able to new technology? This is CIS. I already tell that like CIS is cloud infrastructure and services. So you have knowledge of cloud networking related DBMS concept. Okay, and they will definitely ask the questions related to computer science subjects as well. So you have to know about the concept of OOPS, basics knowledge of basic to medium knowledge of data structure. They don't ask, but the thing is, it will totally depends on interviewer. Suppose they ask related to database concept or software engineering principles, so you have to be ready with that. OS related concept you have to know. And one most important point that I have to mention, like for the CIS interview preparation, you have to prepare your resume, your skill set, whatever you mention in your resume, projects that are very important. Check the job description and role, that is CIS multi-cloud. Okay, engineer trainee multi-cloud. For that I already shared the JD in the description. You can find the JD and check. HR question, situation based question they will ask. Okay, like why do you want to join Cognizant, are you able to learn new technology? Okay, I suggest you can watch the multiple experience on YouTube, that is helpful in related to CIS interview preparation. So you have to prepare, okay, and this is all about the multi-cloud. Definitely you have to prepare the cloud network DBMS they will ask, and check the job description. Best wishes for your interview. And candidate also mentioned that I ask like what are the other questions. So candidate mentioned that no bro, these were the question, but on that day I have asked, there were some people, they were telling about the networking and resume based question, and they were checking the confidence and communication. So this is all about the CIS multi-cloud. Best wishes for your interview. We received the update from second company, that is Honkins. I already shared the Honkins opportunity with all of you, and still the hiring is active. You can go to this link. Okay, and you can go to this link where you will find Honkins page, in which 8 to 12 LPA, 10 to 14 LPA is the package, and you can see the role. Okay, finally candidate received the update from Honkins. Okay, and you can check the Honkins Cooker Limited interview question. Okay, like it is on the Glassdoor website. One most important point, that this type of message is received like call email for written test management training information technology. Congratulations, your application has been shortlisted for the next step of information technology. The next step is written test, which will be conducted in Mumbai on Sunday February 9. Please confirm on the link given below in this email by or on before 31st January that you will attending the written test by checking the radio button on the link, so that we can share the details. Okay, if we do not receive confirmation from you in para 3 above, you decide not to attend written test, it is assumed that you are not longer interested. Thank you for your interest in Honkins Cooker Limited. So the thing is, when you go to the Honkins page, so you will find multiple opportunity. Okay, suppose you are interested in information technology. Okay, this is the information this is the information technology. So you can click on apply now button, and you can apply for opportunity. And you can check the Honkins Cooker Limited interview question. There is a written test. After that interviews, personal interview, medical examination. On their page they clearly mention instruction. Okay, like a candidate who qualify in the written test, okay, will be invited for GD and individual interview at Mumbai. Candidate selected for job undergo a medical exam, and they clearly mention we shall reimburse written third AC tier rail fare shortest route for GD interview and medical at Mumbai. So the thing is, one most important point, it will totally depends on them. And the written test consists of the written test, the most probably they will ask the aptitude, okay, or the technical MCQ, okay, and the coding question. Most probably after that interviews are there. Okay, it is related to Honkins. Let's discuss about our next update, that is from Tech Mahindra. Basically Tech Mahindra first and second phase. First phase interviews are ongoing. Candidate received the interview update. Second phase hirings second phase updates are ongoing. Candidate complete the conversational test today, and soon they will receive the interview mail according to the shortlisting process. Okay, this is the first and second mail phase update. If you still not receive update, we can wait for the third phase. Okay, like it will totally depends on Tech Mahindra team. If the large number of candidate not receive any kind of update, we can expect the update in the third phase. Okay, so you can check everything present on our channel for Tech Mahindra interview preparation, everything. And yesterday 19 hours ago I already uploaded the video. Let's discuss about our next and last company, that is Milliman. Milliman is hiring for the freshers batch. As we know that first is your technical assessment is completed. Sometimes candidate received this type of mail, you have to complete the technical assessment, that is of 60 minutes. Candidate received the interview update. I got call from Milliman that he is scheduling my technical interview tomorrow at 3 p.m. So the thing is, they clearly mention first is technical assessment, phone screening, and initial conversation to discuss your background, qualification and interest. Round 1 interview, round 2 interview. Round 1 interview or technical interview to assess your core competencies, relevant expertise. So you can check multiple experience on YT that is related to Milliman, and you can prepare your resume, you can prepare your projects, and you can prepare the technical skill sets, okay, whatever you mention in your resume. And you have to prepare the CSE related subject, that is very very important. Round 2 interviews related to advanced technical knowledge and alignment with company culture. Following successful, a formal offer will be extended to selected candidate, okay. So this is related to Milliman. I hope you like the video, and this is the video of Cognizant, Honkins, Milliman, okay, Tech Mahindra. Thanks for watching the video.